Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have started a new chapter, that is a two-port network. We studied that in two-port network overall for any two-port network there are 6 possible combinations of circuits, and we have studied that it is open circuit, short circuit, transmission, inverse transmission, hybrid and inverse hybrid. Okay, and we have seen that open circuit impedance parameter, or which is also called as the Z parameter, where V1 and V2 is expressed in terms of I1 and I2. This is the equations for Z parameter. Okay, now for Z parameter we have studied two conditions, that is a condition for reciprocity and condition for symmetry. Now we will start with the next parameter, that is a short circuit admittance parameter, or also called as a Y parameter. In Y parameter, I1 and I2 means current of first port and current of second port, I1 and I2 is expressed in terms of V1 and V2. Equation of Y parameter is I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. This is the equation. Now today we are going to learn short circuit admittance parameters and also condition for reciprocity and condition for symmetry. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I1 and I2 as a function of V1 and V2. Y parameter, in shortcut I am writing Y parameter, you can call it as a short circuit admittance parameter. Okay, equations is I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Okay, also in matrix form I can write it as a I1 and I2 in terms of a V1 and V2. In matrix I will write all admittances Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. Okay, now case 1. Okay, what is our first target? To find out all these impedances. Okay, so basic thing, see, when I wish to find out Y11, what I should do? I should do this term as a 0, right? Okay, when this term will be 0, then only I can compare, I1 will become equal to y11 v1, because this whole term will be 0. Then I can find out y11 as I1 by v1. But how to make this term 0? You can see that it can be made 0 only when v2 is 0. Okay, so how to make v2 0? If this is a two-port network, for your reference I am drawing. If this is a two-port network, if I short circuit the output port, remember carefully, this is I2, I2 is always incoming. Okay, if I short circuit the output port, then V2 becomes equal to 0, right? So case 1 is when output port is short circuited, right? So this is I2 dash opposite to it. So I can say that V1, here I will apply the main voltage, which is also called as a Vs. So I can say V1 equal to Vs, I2 equal to minus I2 dash, because it is opposite in direction, and V2 is equal to 0. So this whole term will become 0, and I can write down Y11. Now I will slightly increase my speed, because already in Z parameters I explained same procedure, and for remaining all two parameters the procedure will be exactly similar. So I can write it as a Y11 equal to I11 by V1. Okay, when I can say V2 equal to 0. Similarly, when here V2 is 0, I can get Y21. Y21 equal to I2 by V1 when V2 equal to 0. Right? This is how I can get Y1 and Y21. Now, how to get Y12 and Y22? To find out Y12 and Y22, we have to make this term 0. So, when this term will be 0, when V1 will be 0. And how to make V1 0? That is a case 2. To make V1 0, obviously, you have to open circuit, means input port open circuited. When input port is open circuited, then what will be happen? Exactly opposite. Input port is open circuited, then I'm sorry, it is short circuited. Then what happen? This is I1, this is I1 dash. Okay, and here there will be in voltage Vs. So I can say that V1 becomes 0. Okay, I1 becomes minus I1 dash, and V2 becomes Vs. Okay, so as V1 is 0, this term becomes 0. So now I can find out y12 and y22. When these terms become 0, y12 is I1 by V2. y12 is equal to I1 by V2 and y22 equal to I2 by V2. y22 equal to I2 by V2 when V1 equal to 0. Okay, this is a similar means common process. Every time you just need to think only how to make one term 0 at a time, next this term 0. Okay, so for that you may have to open circuit the output or input port, or you may have to short circuit the output or input port. That you have to check properly. Now equivalent circuit I can draw like this. See, you can also draw equivalent circuit as you know basic network rules. Now see this V1 Y11, this is current I1, this is Y12 V2, and this is Y21 V1, this is Y22, this is V2, this is I2. Okay, so you can see that what is I1? I1 is nothing but this is admittance, right? If it is impedance, then I can say that voltage by impedance. If it is admittance, then it is voltage multiplied by admittance. So I can say I1 equal to this current plus this current, right? So this current is V1 into I12, Y11, V1 into Y11, and this current is directly Y12 V2, Y12 V2. So we got equation. Similarly, you can apply KCL over here, and you can get second equation. This is the equivalent circuit. Now let's move to the condition for reciprocity. Condition for reciprocity. What is the condition for reciprocity? The ratio of voltage and current, okay, it should be same if you exchange the excitation and response side. Okay, we have studied it. So if this is the network, two port network, and if first time what you are doing here, you are giving excitation, and here you are measuring response, okay, by short circuiting. And next time what you will do, you will do exactly opposite, means here you will measure response by short circuiting, and here you will apply voltage. In both cases ratio of voltage to current is same, then network is said to be reciprocal. Okay, for this particular condition, again you know that I2, this is I2 dash. Okay, so here V1 equal to Vs, V2 equal to 0, I2 equal to minus I2 dash, right? So if I put it in equations for your reference, I am writing equations here. I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So see, first condition is output port is a short circuited, right? So V1 is Vs, V2 is 0, means this term becomes 0. Okay, so where is I2? I2 is in this term, so we will consider this only, we will not consider this. So I2 is equal to Y21 V1, right? What is I2? I2 is nothing but minus I2 dash, so minus I2 dash equal to Y21. What is V1? It is Vs, right? So I can write it as a I2 dash divided by Vs. I2 dash divided by Vs is nothing but minus should be here, so I will put that minus over here, minus Y21. Okay, now what I will do, I will in next part, this is the condition, means I1, I will short circuit input port I1, and this is I1 dash. Now listen it carefully, because for next parameter I will try to explain one more parameter, and for last parameter you have to find out the condition for reciprocity and symmetry. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask, but it is procedure is exactly similar for all the parameters. Okay, so it is repetition or repetition of work. Now case 2. For case 2, when this is the condition, I can say that V2 is nothing but Vs now, then I1 is nothing but minus I1 dash, and V1 equal to 0, right? Now here short circuited, no, so V1 becomes 0. Now again see I1 means here, before that, now the condition is V1 is 0, no, so this term is becoming 0. So here I1 is in this term, so I will consider this particular first equation. So I1 equal to y1 to v2. I1 is nothing but minus I1 dash, minus I1 dash equal to y12 and v2 is vs. So y12 equal to I1 dash by vs minus if I put over here. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2, ratio of current and voltage, ratio of current and voltage. If these two ratios are same, then network is reciprocal. So I can say for network to be reciprocal, I have to write like this: for network to be reciprocal, network to be reciprocal, I2 dash upon Vs should be equal to I1 dash upon Vs. And when this will be equal? When y21 is equal to y12. Minus minus is there, but it can be cancelled. Okay, so this is the condition for reciprocity. Y12 equal to y21 or y21 equal to y2, y21 equal to y12. Now next is condition for symmetry. Now first case, for condition of network to be symmetrical, first what we will do, we will open short circuit output port. We will short circuit output port, so V2 will becomes 0. Okay, so obviously equation will becomes I1, first equation here you can see I1 is nothing but y11 Vs. Okay, so if I rearrange for y11, y1 is nothing but y11 is equal to I1 by Vs. Okay, now here only I will solve to compare. Now second, if I write this V2 equal to 0 over here, I make segregation here. Now input port is short circuited, input port short circuited, so V1 is equal to 0. When V1 is 0, deal with this equation. What is the equation? I2 equal to y22 Vs, because we are interested in ratio of current and voltage. Okay, so here y22 is nothing but I2 by Vs. Okay, now if network is to be symmetrical, these two ratios should be same, or if it is voltage by current ratio, Vs by I1 should be equal to Vs by I2. When this will be happen? When y11 left hand side, y11 equal to y22. Okay, so this is the condition for symmetry, and this whole thing was for short circuit parameter. Now for one more parameter I will show you, this transmission parameter. And for inverse, actually it is not there in your syllabus, but you can find for inverse. Hybrid you have to do by your own. Inverse hybrid, for just for reference you can solve by own, or you can say in a book. I am referring electrical network by Ravi Singh. Next, transmission parameter. Transmission parameter. Now it is called V1 and I1 as a function of I1, sorry, V1 and I1, no, so it should be V2 and minus I2. Here there is a minus, only parameter having minus sign in it. Okay, so equations you know, V1 is equal to AV2 minus BI2 and I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2. Now I will not explain whole procedure. You can consider that first, when I wish to find out A and C, I need to make this term 0. So I need to do I2 0, and I2 means output port. When I2 will become 0, when output port is open circuit, then I2 will become 0, and I will get A as a V1 by V2 and C as I1 by V2. I1 by V2. Okay, next part is, this is case 1. Case 1. Now case 2. Case 2. This B and D we need to find out. So to find out B and D, this term should be 0. When this term will become 0? When V2 will become 0. When V2 will become 0? When output port is short circuited, then V2 becomes 0, right? So in that case I will get B as minus V1 by I2, am I right? And D as minus I1 by I2. Okay, so this is our, now we will move for condition for reciprocity. Condition for reciprocity. Now to find out condition for reciprocity, again you can do it by your own, but let me explain once. So what I will do, I will apply source voltage input port, and this is I2 dash, this is I1, this is Vs. Now you know whole thing, V1 equal to Vs here, then V2 is 0, right, and I2 is minus I2 dash. Okay, so if you put it in this equation, you will get Vs as B I2 dash, right? In previous condition it was here plus sign was there, so here we were getting minus sign. Already minus sign there, V1 become Vs, V2 is 0, no, these terms, whole term becomes 0, so V1 equal to minus BI2, right? But I2 is nothing but minus I2 dash, minus minus it will become plus, so plus I2 dash, so V1 is Vs equal to BI2 dash, right? So from here I can write as a Vs divided by I2 dash equal to B. This is the first condition. In second condition, I am making short circuit here. This is I1, this is I1 dash, and here I will apply source voltage Vs, I2 moving in. Okay, so case 2 I will say, case 2 or B part. V2 is now Vs, V1 is now 0, and I1 is now minus I1 dash, right? So if you put in the equation, you will get for first equation 0 equal to AVs minus BI2, and right now because V1 is 0 no, and I1 is minus I1 dash, right? So minus I1 dash equal to CVS minus DI2. Okay, so from this equation, from here I will find out I2 as I2 equal to, this will move on this side. Okay, so I2 equal to A by B Vs, right? Now I will put this I2 in this equation 1 and 2. Now this is not straightforward, so we have to do all this. In previous case we were not doing this. Okay, so in second equation minus I1 dash, otherwise we will not get ratio. We need to find such ratio, no? And in second equation you can see it is not easy to get such ratio, so we are doing this. Minus I1 dash equal to CVS minus D, I2 is A by B Vs, right? Now when you solve this, you will get Vs upon I1 dash equal to B upon AD minus BC. Okay, now for network to be reciprocal, if this is instead A I will say Roman I1, this is Roman 2 because A is already there. So this Vs by I2 dash and Vs by I1 dash should be equal. When this will be equal, when right hand side will be equal. So to network to be reciprocal, B should be equal to right hand side, B upon AD minus BC, or I can say if I take AD minus BC here, B here, BB will get cancelled, so AD minus BC equal to 1. This is the condition for reciprocity. And next condition for symmetry. Okay, first we will do output port open circuited, so obviously current will become 0. In that case Vs will be equal to AV2, right? No, because current is I2 is 0. Okay, I1 is equal to, from second equation, CV2. Okay, so we are interested in this ratio. Directly we are not getting ratio like previous case, so we will divide equation 1 and equation 2. We will divide 1 by 2. Vs by I1 by is equal to AV2 by CV2. V2 will cancel, and Vs by I1 is A by C. Okay, now input port is open circuited, so I1 is 0 now, Okay, so in that case C Vs will be D I2. Okay, here directly we are getting ratio. So I can say Vs upon I2 equal to C by D. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. So network is symmetrical when these two ratios are same. Okay, so I can say Vs upon I1 is should be equal to Vs upon I2. When this will happen? When right hand side is equal. So A upon uh, here we can see that A Vs upon I1 should be equal to Vs upon I2, that is A by C should be equal to C by D. So C will get cancelled. Divide, just a second, there is some confusion. A by C should be equal to D by C. Here what is the confusion? Here it should be D by C. Vs upon I2, sorry, Vs upon I2 should be D upon C, right? So I'm sorry, it is A upon C equal to D upon C. Then CC will get cancelled, and condition for symmetry is A should be equal to D. Okay, so this is for transmission parameter. In next lecture we will study for uh, inverse transmission, that you do by your own. Hybrid parameter, actually inverse is not in syllabus, so hybrid you do by your own. Okay, before our next lecture, because in next lecture I am directly going to start a numericals on Z parameter. Thank you very much.